Are you looking for the best folding exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best folding exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Editor's Choice, Xterra Fitness FB150. At sub-$150, the Xterra Fitness FB150 seems to be one of the best values out there. For that reason it's our top pick, although that does not mean the other options on this list are any less awesome. The FB150 is a super compact and lightweight machine at just 32 pounds. It has an X-frame design for extra stability. The machine has a 3.3 pounds flywheel and uses magnetic resistance to create a challenge during your exercise sessions. You have the option to choose from 8 levels of resistance, of which you can adjust using the large dial located beneath the console. Number 2. Exerpeutic Upright Folding Exercise Bike. Another very popular brand that offers a lot of quality options is Exerpeutic, and for that reason we had to include a folding exercise bike from them on our list. It too is a sleek design that has 8 levels of magnetic tension, each of which targets a specific aspect of performance like rehab, cardio, and improved endurance. One feature that this one has is heart rate pulse monitors that measure your heart's performance by simply holding onto the handlebars. Number 3. Advenor Upright Exercise Bike. We like the aesthetics and color scheme of the Advenor bike, but it's a feature-rich bike that also sits below the $150 price point, making it a very good value. Let's talk about the things that come on the Advenor exercise bike. The ergonomic and comfortable multi-grip handlebars give you various grip options, and we all know that this is great to have for longer training sessions. Speaking of the handles, there are built-in heart pulse monitors. Number 4. Vive X-Bike Upright Folding Exercise Bike. Making a spot on our list is an upright folding exercise bike from Vive Health. It's one of the pricier options in our list of best folding exercise bikes, but we think it's worth it. There are a few unique things that we noticed about this machine compared to our other picks, including the no front handlebars, has seat handlebars, to hold onto, which is similar to a recumbent bike. And while the product description says it's an upright bike, it does resemble a recumbent style design. Another difference is that the seat and backrest are also different from what we've shown you so far, as they're much larger. It's more like you're sitting in a chair compared to a bike with a seat. Number 5. Marcy NS654 Upright Foldable Exercise Bike. Marcy is a very recognizable name in fitness and training equipment, and a household name with over 35 years of experience in the industry. We've actually included their products in several of our other reviews too. The NS654 model is an upright bike that folds up into a small package. It's height adjustable to accommodate different body types and has a high-density fully padded seat. You get the standard 8 levels of resistance that you can change depending on how fit you are.